In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Zoom plugin to New Outlook. Now to do this, you want to go to the Home tab up top and you want to click on More Apps. Then click on Get Add-ins over here at the bottom right. And then from here, go to the top right and type in Zoom. Now when you do this, press Enter. And here you have Zoom for Outlook add-in, okay? That's the plugin. So you want to click on Add over here, and there we go. As you can see, you have to confirm this by clicking Continue, and it's going to start adding your Zoom plugin. So as you can see here, there we go. It says, while composing meeting invitations, you can go ahead and see this, so that's quite convenient. I'm going to leave it pinned over here, so I'm just going to go through this, and of course, it's going to kind of show me all the images about it. There's only one right now. There may be more whenever you're adding this. I'm going to click the X button and then the X button again, and there we go. If I were now to go, for example, over here, and if I create a new event like this, you'll see that up here, there's now going to be like a Zoom option, okay? So if I go and click on over here, for example, this reminder or whatever, oops, it's actually under add-ins. It used to be over here, so you have to click on apps and then Zoom like this. And as you can see, you can just go and add settings or add a Zoom meeting like this. And as you can see, it's going to start adding a Zoom meeting and it's going to display a new window. I'm going to allow it. And there we go. You simply are going to have to sign into Zoom and you are good to go. You can start using your Zoom plugin. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.